This week has been filled with major headlines in the U.S. and around the world. Here's more in our Week in Review.
The week begins at the White House following a weekend of 2 mass shootings.
President Trump announces he has directed the Justice Department to take extensive actions against the rise of domestic terrorism and hate crimes.
Also on Monday, the White House imposes strict sanctions on Venezuela, while China halts all purchases of U.S. farming products. Tuesday, Texas Representative Joaquin Castro under fire for tweeting out the names and businesses of those who donated to the president's re-election campaign. Plus, Congress requests 8chan's owner testify after that mass shooting in El Paso. Meanwhile, the GOP versus California.
The Trump campaign and the Republican Party are suing California over a new law requiring presidential candidates to release their tax returns.
Midweek, the president visits El Paso and Dayton.
Both places just incredible.
Also on Wednesday,
and the president is reportedly considering a presidential commutation for former Illinois Governor Rod Blagojevich.
And in Southern California, a stabbing spree leaves 4 people dead. Abroad in Puerto Rico, the Justice Secretary is sworn in as the new governor. And in Canada, authorities believe they found the 2 bodies of 2 teen murder suspects wanted in the death of 3 people, including 1 American. Thursday, ICE agents arrest hundreds of undocumented workers at food processing plants across Mississippi. And President Trump names a new acting National Intelligence Director as the current deputy director says she's leaving her post. And the week ends where it began, at the White House, with President Trump pledging he's taking action following the shootings.
I think we can have some really meaningful background checks.
Finally, on Friday, Twitter unlocks Mitch McConnell's campaign account after being suspended for alleged terms violations. Rachel Acenas, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.